Word of the day. Abstruse. Meaning: difficult to understand. Example: the language used in the book was abstruse for the young readers. The puzzle was abstruse for the kids. The puzzle was abstruse for the kids. The dance was abstruse for the dancers. The dance was abstruse for the dancers. The topic was abstruse for the audience. The topic was abstruse for the audience. The machine was abstruse for the operators. The machine was abstruse for the operators. The game was abstruse for the players. The game was abstruse for the players. The recipe was abstruse for the chef. The recipe was abstruse for the chef. The abstruse chemistry formula was complex. The abstruse chemistry formula was complex. The abstruse fashion design required creativity. The abstruse fashion design required creativity. The abstruse musical performance was impressive. The abstruse musical performance was impressive. The instructions were abstruse for the beginners. The instructions were abstruse for the beginners. The language was abstruse for the foreign students. The language was abstruse for the foreign students. The riddle was abstruse, but we solved it together. The riddle was abstruse, but we solved it together. The book was filled with abstruse vocabulary words. The book was filled with abstruse vocabulary words. The science experiment was abstruse for the students. The science experiment was abstruse for the students. The poem was abstruse, but it had a beautiful message. The poem was abstruse, but it had a beautiful message. The art project was abstruse, but we had fun creating it. The art project was abstruse, but we had fun creating it. The abstruse gardening technique was interesting to learn. The abstruse gardening technique was interesting to learn. The concept of time travel is abstruse, but it's fun to imagine. The concept of time travel is abstruse, but it's fun to imagine. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.